and welcome to Verse and Voice, the podcast where we explore timeless poetry and the stories behind the words. Good morning, all of you. I am Gunjan Mansal, your host and host. Today, I accompanied with my classmates of Class 11B from PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Palwal here to share a podcast dedicated to exploring the depth and meaning of English literature, reflecting on Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. This lyrical poem presents a unique conversation between the poet and the rain, a symbol of nature's eternal rhythm and life giving power. Through gentle imagery and musical language, Whitman reminds us of the continuous cycle of creation, renewal, and return. Together, we will explore its meaning, mood, and musical quality that make it one of the Whitman's most reflection words. So, firstly, I would like to invite Raj Katare to recite the poem.
Thank you, Gunjan, for inviting me. Now I am ready to recite the poem. The voice of the rain. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer, as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal, I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence, vaguely formed, altogether changed, and yet the same. I descend to lave the dross, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin, and make pure and beautify it. For song issuing from its birthplace, after fulfillment, wandering, ragged or unragged, duly with love returns.
Thank you, Raj, for reciting the poem so beautifully. Here comes Yagyat Kaushik to summarize the poem.
Thank you, Gunjan, to invite me to summarize the poem. Walt Whitman's poem, The Voice of Rain, presents a dialogue between poet and rain. When Walt Whitman asks, "Who are you?" the rain responds that it is the poem of earth, eternally rising from land and sea as vapor and descending again to refresh and purify the world. It nurtures life, allowing sea to grow and beauty to flourish. The rain cycle symbolizes nature's continuity and renewal, showing how giving and returning sustain life. The poet compares this process to his own poetry, which, like rain, may be born from the soul, travel through world, and ultimately return with love and progress.
Thank you, Yagyat. Now I just want to call Harshita to provide difficult words with their meaning and opposite words.
Thank you, Gunjan, for inviting me. Now I will present some word meanings from the poem. The first word is latent, meaning hidden. Sentence: seeds have latent growth power inside them. The second word is regged, meaning to be considered or to be cared about. Sentence: whether we regged it or not, rain still falls and completes its duty. The third word is impalpable, meaning something that cannot be touched but only felt. Sentence: the rain's magic is impalpable. The fourth word is eternal, meaning never ending or forever. Sentence: nature's love for the earth is eternal. Fifth word is atomize, meaning to be break into tiny particles or droplets. Sentence: the strong wind atomized the rain into the fine mist. The sixth word is lave, meaning to wash. Sentence: the rain comes to lave the dusty earth. Now I am going to present some pair of opposite word. The first word is day, opposite word night. Second, rise, opposite word descend. The third word is rigged, opposite word unrigged. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshita. Now I would like to invite Bhumi to provide poetic devices and rhyming scheme of the poem.
Thank you, Gunjan, to invite me to provide poetic devices and rhyming scheme of the poem. The poetic devices are repetition, alliteration, and personification, and there is no rhyming scheme in the poem.
Thank you, Bhumi. In the last but not the least, I would like to invite Durgesh to give moral message of the poem.
Thank you, Gunjan, for inviting me. The poem conveys the message of eternal and selfless cycle of nature. The rain symbolizes purity, renewal, and continuous giving as it rises from the earth, from clouds, and returns to nurture life. It asks for nothing in return, teaching us the value of selfless service. The poet also compares rain to poetry as both beautify and enrich the world. The poem reminds us to live in harmony with nature and appreciates its nurturing power. Thank you.